nothing yet. Oh, the wind is getting chilly, chilly, chilly. The wind is tough. Still no snow. But it's much colder out. Very much colder out in the skies. We got dark clouds in it. Brr. Did I see it? Oh, there's little flakes flying by. They're hitting me on the head. Brr, 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 brr. Nothing much happening yet. First frozen precipitation of the event coming down as sleet. Quickly covering the horizontal surfaces. The wind's been blowing the little bit of snow we've had so far all around. Obviously we haven't been out yet to sweep or anything. Sky's looking kind of stormy, but there's a little clearing out there. Temperatures come up about a degree or two, but the wind sure is frigid. It briefly warmed up this afternoon with a little bit of sunshine, but the winter has now come upon us once again. The wind has picked up significantly, and the skies, the cloudy skies, show some chance of precipitation. The forecast is still for 6 to 8. Oh my goodness.
All right, as we mentioned, our first alert weather day does continue, and while a lot of southeastern North Carolina has not seen significant snow so far, there's still the evening and the overnight to move through, and it may turn out southeastern North Carolina won't see the biggest snowfall totals, but at the end of the day, we are going to see snow, and we're already seeing brutally cold conditions. This is the view right now at Wrightsville Beach, and I want to remind you here that if you are heading outside, it is very important that you do these things. Try to limit your time outside, but a heavy coat, hat, layers, gloves, and scarf, critical if you're going to be outside, and really try to limit your time outside. Again, even in the areas that aren't seeing snow yet, we're still seeing some single-digit wind chills at this hour, and don't worry, snow is coming even in the areas. Well, guess what, southeastern North Carolina, for most of us, with the exception of that corridor from about Hampstead to Surf City where it is snowing significantly, you are in the dry slot. Now again, it doesn't mean we don't get snow, but it very well means at the end of the day we're not going to see as much snow as surrounding areas. For instance, remember we talked about there's two lows. We've got the upper level low back here. Some areas around Charlotte have seen around 9 inches of snow. Raleigh very little because they've been in the dry slot. But you move over into portions of eastern North Carolina, 7-inch plus totals. We just checked Jacksonville, 5 inches at last check, and even Hampstead now up to 2 inches of snow. But here's a little bit of hope for you right here. Look at this new band of snow. It's just developed around Myrtle Beach. It's moving to the north. That's probably going to move into Brunswick and New Hanover County. So it looks like some of the most substantial snow is going to be moving in. In fact, it looks like it's already moving in to Sunset Beach. It'll be moving into Oak Island, Southport, and I expect this band will probably lift into Wilmington. So it looks like finally some signs that gap is finally going to start to close, and we will start to see more substantial snow. But again, this is the dry slot. This is what we're talking about. No snow, significant snow. In fact, we get
something about the dry gap or dry zone. Oh, there's a little bit of snow flying. Oh, it's a little bit cold and it's flying all around. We were in that, what do they call it? The gap. Now it's blowing. Whew. And it is blowing. It's going to take a little while for it to accumulate though, because now it's cold. drifting, low blowing. Hard to tell how many inches it is. I was more asleep than awake trying to make this report. I'm sorry. And there's still some snow flying. Wind is shaping where it goes. It is cold as can be. Hard to know how many inches, probably 3 or 4, maybe a little more. Okay, venturing out. Ooh, wind's taking the storm door. Apparently the mockingbirds are unaffected by this storm. Really hard to tell. I'm guessing 5 to 6 inches, but there are drifts that are 2 feet deep. Oh, and the stairs are a snowdrift, huh? Yeah. I don't even have boots. Oh, oh yeah. That's at least 6 to 8 inches. Oh, okay. Oh, that was chilly. That was really chilly.